I'm thankful for Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this cute viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ellen John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to add your stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go here. So click until you find the desired sticker, and here you will only find viral stickers, so you can check these two if you want. So there we have it. I'm thankful for. So you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, then you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. And once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get that link in the Instagram app. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. So I will go with this photo right here, and let's say that I'm thankful for my partner. So you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want, and once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So now let me show you from where you can get that link. If you are not able to click on the add yours button, go to super viral at highlights, and here you have to click until you find that story. So not able to click on add yours button, then you can check this YouTube link right here. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.